You've probably thrown away cracked plastic thinking it's done for. But what if a piece of styrofoam and a couple of household items could fix it good as new? Sounds crazy, but watch this. If a piece is broken off a plastic case, don't rush to throw it away. I'll show you now how to fix this. Unscrew the stand and remove the case cover to access the damaged area. Mark a rectangle around the damaged section. This will define the repair zone. Light the torch and heat the knife blade. Carefully cut out the marked rectangle, removing the uneven edges of the chip. Clean the edges of the hole with a knife, removing all irregularities. Drill a small hole at the end of the crack. This will prevent further cracking. Take a soldering iron, remove the standard tip and insert a bolt with the head facing out instead. Get a few staples from a stapler. With the heated bolt, solder the staples into the plastic along the edges of the crack. This is reinforcement. Take a piece of metal mesh and solder it around the perimeter of the hole on the outside. Cut the styrofoam into small pieces. Be sure to wear a protective mask. Harmful fumes are released when styrofoam dissolves. Open a window to ventilate the room. Prepare a metal container and put on gloves. Spray WD-40 on the styrofoam pieces. It will start to dissolve. Stir the resulting mass and add baking soda. Bring the mixture to a thick paste-like consistency. Apply the mass to the mesh, thoroughly filling the entire hole. After drying, treat the surface with sandpaper, leveling the patch flush with the case. Apply paint in the color of the case, masking the repair spot. Done! The damage is practically invisible, and the case is intact again. A plastic container started leaking. Water is collecting at the bottom. The cause, a crack in the container's bottom. Take styrofoam and cut a strip along the length of the crack. Place the styrofoam on the crack and drip superglue on top. It will dissolve the styrofoam, filling the gap. Gently smooth out the mass while it hasn't hardened yet. After drying, the container is sealed again and ready for use.